Hello everyone, myself Gautami K from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. In this video, we are going to discuss about harmony in the family. Let's see the contents. What is harmony? Understanding values, identifying family values, communicating values, the role of empathy, balancing individual needs with family needs, creating family traditions, the importance of quality time, supporting each other in the family, and conclusion. First, we will see what is harmony. Harmony is the state of peaceful coexistence between individuals or groups. In a family context, harmony means that all family members are able to live together without conflict and with mutual respect for each other's needs and feelings. The importance of harmony in family relationship cannot be overstated. When families are in harmony, they are able to work together towards common goals, support each other through difficult times, and enjoy each other's company. Now let's see understanding values. Values are the principles that guide our behavior and decision making. They are deeply ingrained in us and can be shaped by a variety of factors such as culture, religion, and personal experiences. In family relationships, values play a crucial role in shaping how we interact with each other. For example, if honesty is a core value in your family, you may open communication and transparency in your relationships. Next, identifying family values. Identifying family values can be a challenging task, but it is an essential step in building strong family relationships. One way to start is by reflecting on what matters most to you and your loved ones. Consider the qualities in each other and the things that bring you joy as a family. These may include things like honesty, respect, kindness, or a shared love of music or nature. Another useful tool for identifying family values is to create a family mission statement. This can be simple statement that outlines your family core value and goals. Let's see communicating values. Effective communication is key to building strong family relationships. When it comes to communicating values, it's important to be clear your message. One effective technique is to use stories or examples that illustrate the value you are trying to communicate. Another important aspect of communicating values is active listening. It's important to be listen to your family members' perspectives and understand their values as well. This can help build empathy and understanding between family members and ultimately strengthen your family relationships. Next, the role of empathy. Empathy is a crucial component of building strong family relationships. The ability to understand and share the feelings of others, even if we don't necessarily argue with them. When we practice empathy, we create a safe space for our loved ones to express themselves. In family relationships, empathy can be used to resolve conflict and strengthen bonds between family members. For example, if a parent is upset with their child for not doing their homework, instead of getting angry and punishing them, they could try to empathize with their child perspective. Let's see balancing individual needs with family needs. Balancing individual needs with family needs is a delicate that requires constant effort. On one hand, it's important for each family member to have their own needs in order to feel fulfilled and happy. On the other hand, the needs of the family as a whole must also be taken into consideration in order to maintain a functional unit. One strategy for achieving this balance is to regularly check in which each family member and make sure their needs are being met. It also important to communicate openly and honestly about any corners that arise and to work together to find solutions that benefit everyone involved. Next, creating family traditions. Creating family traditions is an important aspect of building strong family bonds. Traditions provide a sense of stability and can help create memories that are cherished for years to come. There are many different types of family traditions, from holiday celebration to weekly game nights. The key is to find traditions that are meaningful to your family and that everyone enjoy. Some ideas includes cooking together, taking an family vacation, or creating a family photo album. The importance of quality time. Spending quality time together as a family is essential for building strong relationships and creating memories. In today's world, it can be easy to get catch up in work, school, and other obligations, but setting aside dedicated time for family activities is crucial. One strategy for making the most of quality time is to plan activities that everyone enjoys. This might involve trying new hobbies or exploring local attractions. Another approach is to establish regular family traditions such as game nights or movie nights. Whatever the activity, the key is to focus on being present and engaged with one another. Let's see supporting each other in the family. Encouragement. Provide encouragement and support for each other's passion and goals, helping each others overcome obstacles and achieve success. Active help. Offer practical help and support with day-to-day activities to show love and support for one another. Emotional support. Be a trusted confidant and offer emotional support during times of stress, sadness, and other challenges in life. Conclusion. In conclusion, we have discussed the importance of harmony in family relationships and how understanding values plays a crucial role in building strong bonds between family members. Balancing individual needs with family needs, creating meaningful traditions, spending quality time together. Make the necessary adjustments to live in harmony with love and respect. Let's all commit to an environment of understanding, compassion, and peace within our families, communities, and beyond. Thank you for watching.